Hi, it's John here from Hive IQ, talking about some of the commercial aspects for our Hive IQ hives. Firstly, the beekeepers that use them talk about making 30% more honey out of a Hive IQ hive. And that's because they're not having to expend a lot of energy on keeping the hive at the right appropriate temperature because of the excellent thermal properties of the hive. Secondly, because they're not doing that work, they're free to do other work like go out and forage and bring back more nectar. The second thing would be coming out of winter. They come out about 3 weeks earlier, and if you do something like almond pollination, for example, where you're paid by a frame of bees, having more bees in your hive because they come out of winter earlier will mean you'll get more return on your investment because of the size of your colony. And thirdly, if you think about when you're transporting hives around, the vibration and everything on the back of the truck and the fuel cost because of the weight of the hive. So if you look at our hives, very light, nice and easy to pick up. And so that equates to fuel on the back of the truck. And of course, the other part of it is because the polystyrene absorbs a lot of the vibration on the back of the truck, then the bees arrive at the destination far happier than what the timber hive does.